Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you all a quick DIY, and it's how to add music to your WhatsApp status. This might not be fashion related, but I think it's also useful as business owners or content creators. Okay, WhatsApp, we know it's one of the social medias we use for communication, and time to time they usually update their app to make it user friendly. Okay, so not to waste much of our time, let's go right into the video. So first thing first, in doing this is to ensure that your WhatsApp is updated. You might be using the normal WhatsApp or WhatsApp business. Okay, whichever one you are using, just ensure that it's updated. If it's not updated, go to your Play Store and update it. So for me, I am using the WhatsApp business. Whatever I'm doing here is very similar, same with the normal WhatsApp. So the first thing you do is to locate the app on your phone, and here is mine over here, and then you click on it. So when you click on it, it opens up. Here down the app here, we see chat, calls, updates, the normal way we normally update our status. So I click, mine is showing updates, so you click on updates, and then you see this icon here that shows pencil and camera. The pencil is when you want to write on your status, and the camera is for uploading your pictures or your videos. So here we'll be uploading pictures because we want to add music to it. So I'll go ahead to click on the camera icon. Okay, so before these updates, these icons were not here before, but now with the updates they are now here. So what we'll do is to click on the, okay, let me go back. You click on the updates, click on camera. So here is for you to select the picture you want to use. Okay, so I'll be using this one. Then if you have a caption, you add it. You add the caption that you want to use. Okay, then if you look right here where you're adding the caption, here I want to believe that this is not new to most of us. This icon here, this art, is for if you want to mention someone or a group that you belong. You can actually type on it and you select the person or the group you want to mention. So when you have added your caption, if you look right up here, you see this music icon. Okay, so before this update it wasn't there, so after updating now it's appearing there. So what you do now is to click on it, and then you select whatever song you want to use. Just scroll and select whatever songs you want to use, and then if you have a song in mind, you can just click on the search button and type it, or any artist you have in mind, you just tap on it. So let's see which music. I don't have anyone in mind actually, or let me hear this. Let's celebrate like the new year. It's like you know what you're doing. Move till you're losing control. Okay, for this tutorial purpose, I'm just selecting randomly. So I'll just take this, and when you select the music you want, you just click on this arrow here and it goes to
let's celebrate like the new year. It's like you know what you're doing. Move till you're losing control.
And that's just it. After you select it, just click on done and
let's celebrate like the new year. It's like you know what you're doing.
Send to your status and it's uploading. So you just click on it to see what you have there.
Let's celebrate like the new year. It's like you know what you're doing. Move till you're losing control.
And so that is it for this video. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to give me a like, drop your comments and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.